Hello, today I'll be giving you a tour of the website Pinterest. I feel like Pinterest isn't really a popular site for people because they might not know how it works, but I actually find Pinterest to be really fun and interesting. I actually spend a good amount of my time scrolling through Pinterest as if it was Instagram or TikTok. So I'm going to go ahead with a tour so everyone knows how to work it properly. So Pinterest is a site where you could personalize, board, visualize things of your interest. So from like personal projects to food recipes and basically anything, Pinterest has photos, videos, and links to your interest. So here's how Pinterest works. Here's your home page. As you see on the top left corner, we're in the home. This is where Pinterest uses kind of like your search history, algorithms to give you pins of what they think you would want to see. So when something catches your eye, let's find something good. Let's say this hair. I like this. Maybe I want to get my hair done like this one day. So I want to save it. I want to pin it. So I press on the top left drop down, and I already have boards made, but as you could see right here, you could create a board. So for me, I'm going to put it in my hair folder and press save. And that's really it. Let's do another. Let's say we like this living room, nice decor inspo. Drop down. I have a room, here it is, save. So yeah, that's how you search all of your pins. Now if you go to the top right, you can see your profile, which here's mine. I don't really follow too many people, I kind of just do like a free search, but now here's all my pins, my boards. So as you can see, I have an art board, aura, food, hair, nails, outfits, rings, room, tattoos. These are some old boards that I archived, but yeah, so now here you can kind of organize your pins a little bit better, or even just have them here to go back and look on. So if I want to get an outfit one day and I think, what's a cool outfit I kind of want to get some inspiration from, I can go right here onto my pin and see everything. So going back to my profile, you can categorize them however you want. You could have as many as you want. If I didn't ever change my email a few years back, I would have pins going back from like all grades of all different craziness, but this one's a little bit more mature of things. And yeah, I find the structure of this website to be really good. I'm very creative and organized, so the two put together, Pinterest. I like that the pins are exactly where you know they are. You do everything yourself, kind of like a photo album. So yeah, that's just a simple, quick tour of Pinterest. Let's do like a search really quick. Let's say fall outfits, just for like a little better of a search. Okay, I'm liking the green this fall. I like this. So I think it already knows it's an outfit, so it already shows outfits, and you can press save. Today, this kind of just gives you like a little overview of everyone's searches: makeup, Halloween, shop. This people could sell things, buy things, kind of like Etsy, a little bit of everything. And then create is just if you want to upload your own pin or create your own board again. But here's where you'll spend most of your time searching through if you're bored, if you are looking for some inspiration for anything, really. So yeah, quick little overview. I hope this helps, and yeah, bye.